What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to see and delete the navigation history on your Google Chrome web browser into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, open your Google Chrome. Now on Chrome you can use your keyboard and type Ctrl-H, okay, so the keyboard Ctrl and at the same time type H, and you're gonna open or review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to your photo, under the browser closing icon, there is three little dots. Open it, click on it, then history, then open history page or Ctrl-H. Right here you're gonna be able to see all that has been used, the time, the site, the descriptions, okay? And you can click into these three little dots and delete, in the case that you want to delete one by one, or you can review the left sidebar of menus and go to delete browsing data. If you delete browsing data, you can delete download history, autofill data, hosted app data, browsing history, all up to you, okay? You can delete all you want. Last 4x, last 24 hours, last hour, last 15 minutes, all time, up to you, okay? So I'm gonna delete the last hour, maybe 24 hours, and I'm just gonna delete the browsing history. Let's delete data. Data has been deleted, okay? Now if I open, I'm gonna be able to see all other data because this previous one has been deleted, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.